One of the really exciting aspects of Thinkimpact is that we take this international trip every spring break. Students really get this opportunity to go abroad, to see these different countries and see how their cities or their companies or their entrepreneurs are tackling these different types of problems.
We had the opportunity to visit Finland. It was a very good experience. It was very eye-opening, seeing how different parts of the world view entrepreneurship and the support that exists in other countries.
The Finland trip was one of my favorite experiences in Thinkimpact. At the beginning of the year, we kind of focused on okay, so what do entrepreneurs do when they're building a sustainable venture? We learned about that, but we haven't actually seen it in real life. So the Finland trip was a great way for us to see that how companies can actually balance that profit and sustainability in real life.
The experience was largely rewarding. Finland has been framed as the happiest country in the world for 9 straight years. And that's a result of trust for government, but also the compromise that institutions and businesses take to benefit their society over taking profits.
Finland is a very cool country. We met with a lot of organizations that had some sort of ties to the local government in Helsinki. Learned a lot about how the Finnish operate, their business mindset, their societal impact, and just overall their mentality in regards to nature. It was a very uplifting experience.
We got to see companies such as Maria01, and then seeing their startup culture was really interesting. Getting to explore with the different companies, getting to hear about their experiences and getting feedback on our own projects, that's really helpful.
Finland really did change my perspective a lot on how I want to go about my startup. I'm making a thrifting platform for campuses, and that has a big focus on sustainability. Before this trip to Finland, it was more about trying to get new clothes and fashion, but going to Finland and seeing their emphasis on social entrepreneurship and really trying to be more sustainable. Coming back, I really shifted my focus into reducing fast fashion and consuming less. So I think it really redirected my true goal for this startup.
Their community-first drive for energy was unlike any other country I've seen. They really engage with creating a narrative that it's all of us involved in creating something better. And through our impact with startup communities and founders, I really was able to understand that on a higher level, not just from a textbook or from word of mouth.